हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज रितु। आज हम शुरू करेंगे बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट इज एन अकाउंटिंग स्टेटमेंट दैट रिकॉर्ड्स द इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन बिटवीन योर ऑप्शंस आर रेजिडेंट एंड नॉन रेजिडेंट, बी ऑप्शन रेजिडेंट एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सी ऑप्शन नॉन रेजिडेंट एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड डी ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ द अबव। द करेक्ट आंसर इज रेजिडेंट एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट is a statement which record all the monetary transaction made between resident of a country and the rest of the world during any period of time. Second question, economic transaction include, your options are visible items, B invisible items, unilateral transfer या D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Explanation देखते हैं। Economic transaction refers to those transactions which involve transfer payment, visible item as well as invisible item. आगे चलते हैं। Identify which of the following statement is true. Carefully पढ़ना, true बोला गया है। First option is balance of payment account does not record transaction of capital nature. B option, balance of trade is a summation of export and import of visible item. C option, when exports are more than import, balance of trade account is in deficit. D option, balance of payment account include visible item, invisible item, capital transfer and unilateral transfer. The D option is correct. Explanation देखते हैं। In balance of payment, we include not only the value of goods exported and imported, visible item, but also invisible item and capital transactions. आगे चलते हैं। Identify which of the following statement is true. पहला option, external assistance is not recorded in balance of payment account. B option, the difference between value of exports and imports of goods and services is called trade balance. C option, foreign investments are recorded in the capital account of balance of payment. D option, portfolio investment is a type of external assistance. The correct option is C, foreign investments are recorded in capital account of balance of payment. आगे चलते हैं। Fifth question, import and export of goods is called visible trade. Explanation देखते हैं। Exchange of physically tangible goods between countries involving the export, import and re-export of goods at various stages of production is called visible trade. The correct option is B. आगे चलते हैं। Import and export of services is called, your options are invisible trade, visible trade, nominal trade, none of the above. The correct option is invisible trade. A. Explanation देखते हैं। Import and export of service or intangible goods is known as invisible trade. आगे चलते हैं। Balance of payment accounting uses which standard of accounting? Your options are double entry system, single entry system, accrual basis system या cash basis system. The correct option is A, double entry system. Explanation देखते हैं। Double entry system of accounting is used while calculating balance of payment. आगे चलते हैं। Dash is a situation when managed floating is exercised by the central bank. This is called dirty floating. The correct option is C. Explanation देखते हैं। A managed floating exchange rate is also known as dirty floating. Free trade is based on the principle of comparative advantages. Explanation देखते हैं। Comparative advantages means ability of an economy to produce a particular goods and services at lower opportunity cost than its trading partner. Next question देखते हैं। India has the highest foreign debts in the form of commercial borrowing, trade credit, gold या NRT, that is in commercial borrowing. First option is correct. Commercial borrowings are loan in India made by now resident lenders in foreign currency to India borrower. Next question, surplus in current account arises when, your options are credit side is more than debit side, B debit side is more than the credit side, C debit side equal to the credit side या none of the above. The correct answer is A, credit side is more than the debit side. The correct answer is A, credit side is more than debit side. Explanation देखते हैं। Surplus in current account arises when credit item are more than the debit item. It indicates net inflow of foreign exchange. आगे चलते हैं। Deficit in capital account occurs when, options are credit side is more than the debit side, B option debit side is more than the credit side, C option debit side is equal to the credit side or none of the above. The correct option is debit side is more than credit side. Explanation देखते हैं। A capital account deficit occur when the equity in a business turn negative. Thus, it happen when the total amount of liability exceed the total amount of assets. आगे चलते हैं। Which transactions are the transaction by the central bank to maintain equilibrium in balance of payment account? This correct option is official reserve. Explanation देखते हैं. Official reserve account, a subdivision of capital account in a foreign currency and security held by the government, usually by central bank, and is used to balance the payment for the year. यहाँ पर equilibrium होगा. The demand curve for foreign exchange is, your options are vertical, upward sloping, horizontal या downward sloping. This is the downward sloping in this manner. Explanation देखते हैं. Demand curve of foreign exchange slope downward due to the inverse relationship between demand for foreign exchange and foreign exchange rate. आगे चलते हैं. The downward sloping demand curve for foreign exchange reflect inverse relation. वो इस तरीके से शो होगा, है ना. Explanation देखते हैं. The downward sloping demand curve for foreign exchange reflect the inverse relation since one quantities fall and the other rises. आगे चलते हैं. Exchange rate of currencies is determined by supply and demand curve system of flexible exchange rate. A flexible exchange rate is usually determined by the open market through supply and demand. Therefore, if the demand of the currency is high, the value will increase. If demand is low, this will derive the currency price lower. आगे चलते हैं. Managed floating exchange rate is a system in which, first option, the government allow the exchange rate is determined by market forces. B, the government allow the exchange rate determined by the market forces. C, central allow the exchange rate to determine by market forces. या none of the above. The correct option is central bank allow the exchange rate determined by the market forces. Explanation देखते हैं. A managed floating exchange rate, also known as dirty float, is an exchange rate regime in exchange rate is neither entirely free. आगे चलते हैं. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a systematic record of all the economic transaction between one country and the rest of the world. This is called balance of payment. Second question, balance of payment uses the dash system of accounting, double entry system. Third, import and export of services is known as invisible trade. Fourth question, balance of payment of a country always remains dash in sense of accounting, equilibrium. Transaction is the balance of payment account can be categorized as dash transaction and accommodating transaction, that is auto loans. Next question, balance of dash account deal with debt and claim of country, that is capital account. Second question, dash are the economic transactions which are undertaken to make equilibrium in balance of payment, accommodating transaction. Next question, all current transactions in balance of payment are dash in nature, flow of nature. आगे चलते हैं. Ninth question, payment for import of goods is written on dash side and receipt from exports is shown on dash side of balance of payment. The correct option is डेबिट साइड आप दिखाएंगे import of goods और क्रेडिट साइड आप दिखाएंगे एक्सपोर्ट से आने वाली receipts. 10th question, gifts or grant received from outside the country yet recorded under dash of current account, credit side. Dash are those receipts and payment which take place without anything in return. Answer is unilateral transactions. 12th question, a deficit in a current account indicate that the dash of foreign currency is less than the dash of foreign currency, inflow and outflow. A deficit in a current account indicate that inflow of foreign currency is less than the outflow of foreign currency. आगे चलते हैं. The dash of foreign exchange of a country has negative slope. This is demand. Next question. The supply curve of foreign exchange of a country has dash slope, positive. Next question. The dash exchange rate is determined by the interaction of supply and demand in foreign exchange market, flexible. आगे चलते हैं. Decrease in the value of currency in market due to demand and supply of forex is called depreciation. आगे चलते हैं. 17th question, under dash government knowingly reduces the price of domestic currency in terms of all foreign currency devaluation. आगे चलते हैं. True and false. External assistance is not recorded in balance of payment account. False. Second question, balance of payment is a relatively broader concept as compared to the trade balance. True. External assistance is not recorded in the balance of payment account. False. Capital account records the transfer such as loan and investment between one country and the rest of the world. True. आगे चलते हैं. Current account surplus reflect a situation where the total import of a country exceed its total exports. False. Accommodating transactions are also known as below the line items. True. Export and import of machines are recorded in capital account of the balance of payment account. False. Next question. Foreign investments are recorded in the capital account of balance of payment. True. आगे चलते हैं. Current account of balance of payment records only export and import of goods and services. False. Next question. The main objective of holding foreign currency reserve is to send a gift to foreign country. Answer is false. High rate of inflation in the domestic country causes deficit in a balance of payment. True. Next question. Excess of foreign exchange receipts over foreign exchange payments on account of accommodating transactions equal deficit in the balance of payments. False. Next question. Flexible exchange rate has no intervention of government or financial authority. True. Managed floating exchange rating system is a combination of flexible and floating exchange rate system in a managed form. True. Cyclical fluctuations like depression or inflation are causes of equilibrium in balance of payment. False. Devaluation is the deliberate reduction of the value of country's currency in relation to the foreign currency initiated by the government. True. थैंक यू सो मच. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टेक केयर.